we're down here at Destination Daytona, Teddy Morris's, and we have this gorgeous US of A motorcycle, Boss Hoss, designed, built, and painted. They're actually made in Tennessee from what I understand. V-8 engine, Corvette style. Absolutely gorgeous. Trying to give you a nice overview of this machine. Great design, great paint job. This is what you call a good day in the stock market. Nice back seat, comfortable, and a lot of power, everybody. So come join us down here at Destination Daytona for some awesome motorcycles on display as we take a walk down the walkway of thousands of bikes pouring in, thousands of machines, electronics, exhausts, seats, performance packages. If you got a bike, they got something to put on it. Front wheels, big wheels. Here's the one coming up here with the big wheels on it, the bagger. Great looking machine. So come join us, everybody, and follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures as we cruise Daytona Beach Motorcycle Week. And of course we got the Yellow Bird here. So come see us, everybody.